Ford Fairlane is not just a car, it's a legend from the golden era of American automobiles. Introduced in the mid-1950s, it represented style, class, and the ambition of a nation entering a new age of prosperity. The Fairlane carried the name of Henry Ford's estate, Fairlane, and lived up to it with elegance and performance that captured hearts for decades. In the 1950s, cars were more than transportation, they were statements. The Ford Fairlane stood tall among its rivals, bringing a bold design with chrome detailing, long flowing lines, and the kind of presence that demanded attention on the streets. It wasn't just another family car. It was a symbol of success and a desire to enjoy life behind the wheel. One of the most iconic features of the Fairlane was its wide range of body styles. From sedans and hardtops to convertibles and station wagons, it had something for everyone. Ford knew how to mix practicality with excitement, and the Fairlane delivered that balance perfectly. Families loved it for comfort, while enthusiasts admired its styling and road presence. Under the hood, the Fairlane offered more than just basic power. Buyers had choices, from reliable six-cylinder engines to strong V8 options that gave it the muscle needed for highway cruising and spirited driving. The introduction of the Thunderbird V8 brought real performance into the lineup, making the Fairlane a serious competitor in the muscle car world as the years went by. By the 1960s, the Fairlane began evolving into something more than a stylish cruiser. It became the foundation for performance-oriented models, including the legendary Fairlane Thunderbolt, a drag racing machine that shook the competition with its lightweight build and 427 cubic inch V8 engine. That car wasn't built for the everyday driver. It was built for dominance on the track, and it became one of the most sought-after Fords in history. The Fairlane also marked Ford's ability to adapt. As American taste shifted, the car changed with the times. In the early years, it emphasized chrome, elegance, and family use. Later, it embraced sportier lines, more aggressive styling, and powerful engines that appealed to performance fans. Each generation of Fairlane told a story about the changing spirit of America. Even though production ended in the 1970s, the Ford Fairlane left behind a legacy that cannot be ignored. Today, it lives on through collectors, enthusiasts, and classic car shows where it continues to turn heads. A restored Fairlane still captures the magic of its era, whether it's a sleek convertible from the 50s or a muscle-inspired version from the 60s. The Ford Fairlane was more than just a car, it was a reflection of its time. A mix of elegance, innovation, and power that showcased what Ford could deliver to the world. It carried families, inspired racers, and became an icon in its own right. That's why even decades after it disappeared from showrooms. Thanks for watching.